is the login form of our system. You can choose the physician, then write your username and password to access the system. This is the main page of our system. We have 7 modules. Manage module. You will see the staff menu to see the list of staff. In this page, you can add, update, search the list of staff that already added. You can also save the new staff that you are included. Account module. You will see the list of users who already added. The admin can add, delete, save the username, choose a position, then type username and password. Then the item. You will see the list of products. You can add the new product, then save it. You can update and search a product also. View module. You will see the category list of products. You can add, update, search, and see the categories. You can also see the list of products and the list of stuff. Transaction modules. In this module, you will see the point of sale that can print the official receipt of ordered products. Monitoring module. You will see the list of available stocks and the sold items daily and monthly. And the statistics module. You can see the graph that can show what is the most and least sold of products. Settings module. You will see the logout menu that can exit the system.